Utilization certificates, or UCs, are crucial documents in research grant management. They provide a transparent account of how grant funds were used. UCs are submitted to the funding agency periodically, typically annually. They ensure accountability and compliance with grant terms. UCs are essential for maintaining trust between researchers and funding agencies. They demonstrate that funds were used for their intended purpose. Accurate UCs help justify future funding requests. They also prevent misuse of research funds. Accurate and timely submission of UCs is essential for researchers. Delays or inaccuracies can create complications. It is vital to understand the UC process thoroughly. This understanding ensures smooth grant management and continued research funding. The UC process typically involves several key steps. First, gather all financial records related to the grant. This includes invoices, receipts, and bank statements. Next, categorize expenses according to the grant budget categories. These categories may include salaries, equipment, and travel. Then complete the UC form provided by the funding agency. Ensure all information is accurate and supported by documentation. After completion, the principal investigator reviews and signs the UC. The chief finance officer of the institution also signs, certifying the information. Finally, submit the UC to the funding agency by the deadline. Keep a copy of the submitted UC and all supporting documents. This documentation is crucial for future audits or inquiries. Several stakeholders play vital roles in the UC process. The principal investigator, or PI, is ultimately responsible for the grant. The PI ensures proper use of funds and accuracy of the UC. The Chief Finance Officer, or CFO, oversees the financial administration of the grant. The CFO certifies the financial information in the UC. The funding agency provides guidelines and templates for the UC. They review the submitted UC and may conduct audits. Effective communication between the PI, CFO, and funding agency is crucial. This collaboration ensures a smooth and transparent UC process. Maintaining accuracy in UC reporting is critical. Use a dedicated system to track grant expenses. Regularly reconcile bank statements with grant records. Double-check all entries in the UC for accuracy. Obtain clarification from the funding agency if needed. Submit the UC well before the deadline. Late submissions can delay funding or raise concerns. Maintain clear and organized records. This practice facilitates easy retrieval of information during audits. Following these practices ensures compliance and strengthens the researcher's credibility.